This video comes as a continuation of my first one. So you saw how the need came in order to extend the existing natural numbers to integers. So after that, when multiplication and division were introduced to the existing arithmetic operations of addition and subtraction, you needed an answer for questions of the type 2 by 5, 5 by 8, 7 by 13, etc. And this led to the introduction of rational numbers. So naturally Q, the set of natural numbers, were introduced, and you know very well Q contains the already existing numbers in Z, because you can think 0 can be written as 0 by 4. They all have a rational form. And so there we reached up to Q. So afterwards, the concept of surds came, operations of square roots, cube roots, etc. were introduced. So we needed irrational numbers. You know, cube root of 8 is 2, but we never know what is cube root of 4. So they were all called as irrational numbers. So they were added along with the already existing system of Q, and we formed the system of real numbers represented with capital R. So during your school days up to 10th standard, you are taught up to the real number system, and when you started learning solving of quadratic equations, you came to a situation where the discriminant of the quadratic delta was found to be negative, and in 10th standard you were instructed that whenever delta is negative, you simply write the roots are imaginary. You are not asked to write specific answers. So right now in the system of complex numbers, you will be answering such questions. So for example, I give you one particular quadratic equation, x square plus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Here you are solving, this cannot be factorized, so immediately we tend to use quadratic formula. That's what I have been applying here, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So a is 1, b is 2, and c is 2, as you all know. So the system comes out like this. Answer comes as minus 2 plus or minus root of 4 minus 8 by 2. So there is a minus number inside the square root, and this is where complex numbers as a system was brought into being in order to explain this kind of roots.